Good morning, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing after you watch this video. So today I have some beef, but I wasn't too sure on what I'm gonna make, so I'm gonna set it to boil for about 2 hours and try to tenderize it, make it super tender. As you can see, I filled it with 2 quarts of water. So this is the amount of beef I have. I believe this is chuck roast. I got this from that warehouse that I mentioned in my previous video. We got chicken, we got beef, we got shrimp, we got some fish. So yeah, we cut it up and we bagged it, but I'm gonna end up using this. Yeah, I have these 3 pieces. I think they're 3 or 4 pieces. They're cut into thick steaks. Got 3 chiles guajillo. Got some potato, red bell pepper, some onion that I probably won't use, only just have 1 tomato, a serrano, a jalapeno, and an ancho. This is a pasilla ancho. And of course, garlic. You cannot forget some garlic. So now I'm gonna put all my veggies and ingredients into a pot to boil and get a sauce ready. Alright guys, so here are my ingredients all chopped, and they're gonna boil till softened, and then we're gonna blend. And look how quick this pot is. Like, bruh, it's already boiling. I just put it in. It's insane. Alright, we're gonna add our onion. Oops. Onion, and then we're gonna add in our beef. And I didn't chop it up because it is, like I said, they're thin slices, so I'll probably just cut them up after. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, some salt, about a tablespoon, not too much, don't want it to be salty. Alright, stir it a little bit. And then we're gonna close. Alright guys. Whoa! The ingredients for my sauce shit. Okay, the ingredients for my sauce are about ready to get blended. So I'm gonna take them out and get them blended. So while I let that water cool down, I'm gonna check on my meat. Looking good, looking good. Move it around and then close it again. So I blended my sauce. Now I'm gonna add my condiments. We're gonna add some chicken bouillon, some black pepper, and of course, can't forget the salt. So about a teaspoon or so of freshly ground pepper, about a teaspoon of the chicken bouillon, and about a teaspoon and a half or a little less of salt. So my meat is on medium to high, and it'll be for another 15 minutes, but I'm also gonna add my potato in shortly to finish it off, cook it off. All right, now that this is boiling again, set it aside, and we're gonna add in our potatoes so I can finish off. And in about 10 minutes or so, we'll be ready to add in that sauce. So I've thinly sliced my bell pepper and some onion that I'll be adding on or in to the pot. All right, as you can see, I took out my potatoes. They're halfway, and I'm gonna be adding my veggies and my sauce. I'm not gonna strain it because I think it's okay. Add a little bit, nothing crazy. I'm adding about half of it first. So I strained the second half, and you can see the consistency of the sauce. Just a little. And then I'm gonna be adding about a cup or so of water. There we go. And we're gonna add our veggies. And the rest of our potatoes, or the potatoes that were already in there. Stir, stir. And we're gonna close it for the remaining 13 minutes that we have. So I want to get this done by 12:30. It is 12:17. Not 13 minutes. What the hell? I don't even know how to count. Just, you know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, something I want to point out is regarding seasoning. You can always follow the measurements, but I always tend to adjust the flavor. So you can also do that, you know, if you're more of a salty person, because not like salty like that, but like there's people that like salt a lot, like they really love salt. I'm not as a salty person. So I tend not to add a lot of salt, just because a lot of the seasonings mostly contains salt. So I always just try to put in a little bit, little by little, and then just kind of adjust it as I go. Apologize, the pantry's all messed up. Anyway, so yeah, just a little heads up tip, but you could always follow the measurements and then just adjust as you go. All right guys, so I removed my pot from the heat. I can't record and move the pot, so that's why I had to do it off camera, but here we are. Here's the result. And I'm just gonna close it and let it finish off, because you know the potato needs to finish off. A lightly chopped, what the heck did I just say? Chopped my meat, just because I didn't chop it before because I didn't know how much it would shrink, but it is pretty tender after an hour and 15 or so, but it is pretty tender if you ask me. So have I mentioned that I'm really picky? I actually removed that excess fat that I do not like, that grosses me out. And yeah, so I'm gonna put it back in the pot right now. And as you can see, this dish is gonna be full of carbs. Let's get in some bell peppers in there. Give it some color. Delicioso. Boom, boom, boom. And we cannot forget the best part, our little broth. Delicious. So delicious. What would have gone great to top this off, to garnish this dish off? Some cilantro or some chopped or diced onion, whatever you like to garnish your food with. You're more than welcome to try that out. I'm probably gonna chop up some onion because I like some fresh onion as well. It's a little, you know, on the rough side, but it gives it a great flavor when it's raw. So we'll give that a try. Okay, so I'm about to give it a taste test. And I did try the meat before, but it doesn't matter. Everything that I can put everything that I could think of in the book, and I'm still never gonna like the beef taste, especially when it's like cooked this way. I have to put some lime. Let's add some lime. And probably some salsa, but I don't have any salsa today. So let's try it out. Try out the dish. Try out the plate. Can't forget this.
It smells like
What does it smell like?
Like a lantern.
Hey, maybe it's a Nicaraguan dish and I don't even know. No, I just used whatever we had here, so I was like, well, I'm gonna make something out of something. What is it? How does it look? How does the plate look?
Like, describe it?
I mean, like, how does it look? Does it look cool?
Yeah, it looks good.
Good. It looks good.
It looks like you would go, like, buy it at a store or something.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
You want some lime? Oh, ooh, with the lime is so good. Oh, there's lime right there.
Meat.
And there's some tortillas. Can't forget the tortillas. I'm not a big on tortillas, but hey, carbs for days today. Carbs for days. Look at all this.
It's really good.
Oh, what?
Oh my god, that's spice?
Yeah, I put some chile serrano in there. And some chile jalapeno. Look at all these carbs.
Good.
We got some potato, we got some corn, and we got some rice. What was that again? What'd you say? What was that again? Can I hear that one more time?
It's good.
I didn't catch it on video.
It's delicious.
I didn't.
No, it's really good.
Alrighty. Alright guys, well, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And I'm about to get to eat this because I'm hungry. Last time yesterday that I made the dish, I literally took 2 bites of everything and I was done for the day. I didn't even eat anything. You ate your dish, of course, your plate.
The whole thing.
But yeah, hopefully I get to post this soon and I'll see you guys in the next video. Click subscribe if you liked this video, and the rest of my videos, go check them out because I will be posting a lot more. See you guys later. Bye. Guys, I'm gross. I messed up this whole plate. Ew, look at that. Do you see that, babe? Oh, fuck. It's like a tube.
What is that? Oh my god, stop.
Like an artery.
Oh my god.
Ugh, sorry you guys had to see that. If you guys don't like that, leave a comment down below and let me know that I should never ever post that ever again. Bye.
That's gross.